Hello everybody, I Tushar Jain, CFO and Research Head of Ajay Astro Money Guru. Welcome all of you today on 1st November 2021. In this episode, I will discuss about my views on Indian stock markets and what all things you need to consider for next few trading days. As this week will be considered as the Diwali week for India, as there are only three full trading days, that is Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday, and on Thursday only 1 hour trading, that is the Muhurat trading on Diwali will take place, and rest Friday will be the national holiday, and the Indian stock market will also be closed and followed by weekends, that is Saturday, Sunday. So the full-fledged trading will only take place in Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday, that is 1st, 2nd and 3rd November 2021. Also, if you remember in our Friday's episode, I strongly put my view that Indian markets selling is more pending and more profit booking can be seen in Indian markets, and no fresh long position is advised to be created at those levels, and exactly things can be seen in Indian markets. And on Friday the Indian markets have fallen drastically. Also, if we look at the global sentiments and other global markets, on Friday US markets closed at their record highs. All their major indices, that includes S&P 500, Dow Jones and Nasdaq, all made new record highs on Friday. Also, most of the Asian markets are higher today except Hong Kong, China, as some fresh power shortages news are coming up from the China. Therefore, Chinese and Hong Kong markets are showing some profit booking, but the Nikkei, that is the Japanese market, are showing strength. The Australian market is showing strength. And if we see the Indian markets have opened on the positive note, and they are currently up by more than 0.5%. The Nifty and Bank Nifty both are up by more than 0.5%. And today the HDFC and Tata Motor results will be declared. These are the leading, HDFC is the leading banking company of India, and it is the largest bank. If we combine the HDFC and HDFC Bank, they come up as the largest bank of India. And Tata Motors is also a leading automobile company of India. Their result will be declared today, and its impact will be seen on stock market. Although the HDFC share price have already shown the upward movement in past few trading days, as the HDFC Bank result was good. Therefore, some cautious move is advised in the HDFC. And as far as Nifty and Bank Nifty is concerned, although they are up by more than 0.5% right now, but they are anytime expected to see profit booking, as there is no strength has been seen in Nifty and Bank Nifty so far, and Nifty haven't crossed the level of 17,850 also, and it is struggling to trade above 17,800. And similar things has been seen in Bank Nifty also. It is struggling to trade above 39,500, and no big strength is been seen in both Nifty and Bank Nifty as of now. Therefore, it is advised not to take long positions in Nifty and Bank Nifty, as they are expected to show profit booking anytime in the short term perspective. So you need to be very careful. And if we see the FII selling, on Friday FII sold more than 5,000 crores in Indian cash market, which is a very significant amount for the single day selling, and that too despite of strong economic recovery as well as no major negative news at the domestic level or at the international level. And the global markets also are showing strength, whether it is US markets or any other markets. They are also showing either showing strength or none of the global market have shown this type of weakness in past few weeks. This shows that FIs are purposely targeting the Indian markets only, whether it is their revenge or any other matter. We don't know about that. Although some rumors are coming up that the income tax notices have been given to some of the foreign portfolio investors. Till now, this news have not been verified and checked by any of the trusted media house. Therefore, we cannot completely trust on this news. But these type of actions by the FIs simply shows they are on the verge of taking revenge from the Indian markets. So how long will this revenge by the FIs continue? We have to see. Till then, we need to be very careful in taking long position, especially for the short term perspective. Although if we see the USD INR, as the Indian rupee hasn't been depreciated to the extent that Indian stock market have shown fall. Therefore, it shows that the FIIs have not transferred their funds back to their countries, which also indicates that this selling is only for the short term perspective, and soon it will show recovery and bounce back. But till then, we need to be careful, and it is the time and it is the opportunity for us to grab quality stocks for the long term perspective in our portfolios. So you can consider Reliance Industries, Tata Motors, power sector stocks like Tata Power, Power Grid, BPCL, IRCTC, also some of the banking stocks like Bank of Baroda. You can consider these stocks for the long term perspective and consider this opportunity for taking these quality stocks for the long term perspective. So that's all for the today's episode. See you in the next episode. Thank you and good day.